The wake-up call. Most people spend their entire lives trading time for money, working hard, saving what they can, hoping one day to finally feel free. But when that one day comes, they realize something. The cost of living keeps rising. Their savings don't stretch as far as they thought, and the freedom they dreamed of still feels out of reach. What if there was another way? A way to create income from home, without products, without clients, and without stress. A way to earn $3,000 a month on your own terms, doing something simple and meaningful. That's what affiliate marketing makes possible. The simplicity of affiliate marketing. Here's the truth. Affiliate marketing is one of the simplest business models online. You don't create a product. You don't handle payments or support. You simply recommend something useful to others and earn a commission every time they buy through your link. Think of it like digital word of mouth. You share a solution and get paid for helping people discover it. The best part? You can build it once and let it keep working for you automatically. Why it works for anyone. At any age. Affiliate marketing doesn't care how old you are or where you start. You don't need followers, a big budget, or technical skills. You just need to understand this. People are constantly looking for tools, products, and solutions online. And every time they find one through you, you earn. This makes affiliate marketing perfect for people who want financial independence, whether you're 25 or 65. You can start small, learn the basics, and watch your system grow month after month. The $3,000 per month system explained. Here's how you get there, step by step. Step 1. Choose a niche, something you enjoy. It could be health, productivity, personal finance, or even online business. Step 2. Find a product to promote. Look for digital tools or training programs that pay recurring commissions, 30%, 40%, even 60%. Step 3. Build your simple system. You don't need a website or coding, just one page to collect emails and one automated sequence that sends your affiliate link while you sleep. Modern tools like Systeme.io make it incredibly easy to do this, all in one place. You can create your pages, emails, and automation in just a few clicks. No tech stress, no big investment, just a smart system that runs for you. The power of automation. This is where the magic happens. Once your system is in place, it keeps working, day and night. Your videos, your emails, your links become digital assets that never stop promoting for you. Imagine waking up to see a new commission notification on your phone. That's the moment you realize your time is finally working for you. Every email, every video, every post you create adds to the momentum. It's like planting small seeds that keep growing, month after month. Take the first step. If you want to replace your income, or simply earn an extra $3,000 per month this year, start by building your own affiliate system today. I've prepared a free launch kit that shows you exactly how to do it. Inside, you'll find the step-by-step blueprint, the best programs to join, and a ready-to-use system you can copy right away. You don't need to be a marketer. You just need the right system and the will to start. Click the link below, download your free kit, and begin building your freedom, one simple step at a time. Because real freedom doesn't come from working harder. It comes from working smarter and letting your system work for you.